This is Scott from KIG. It's October 5th, 2020. We're going to do a couple of quick runoff startup videos for this 20-ton nominal Aqua Products dual circuit Glycol chiller system. This is made up of two modules. We got the chiller system here. They call it the DCS 240C. It's 460 volt three-phase, and basically again this is the chiller section, circuit, two circuits, circuit 2 on top of circuit 1, basically completely independent Emerson modules. And on our website, if you Google the serial number of this chiller, you'll find the manuals for this. There's also a startup guide or some quick notes for each one of these here, but this should be pretty much plug and play. You shouldn't have to touch anything here on startup. These are the adjustable fan switching pressure switches for low ambient. Those are all set. Then we have our high pressure switch that's integrated into the controller, and then the low pressure switch also integrated into the controller. Over on this side you have the coax heat exchangers for each of the two circuits. This is an R404 system. Main incoming power, 460 volt three-phase. You're going to come into, have your electrician use either this internal access hole or pop one end and then come into the top of the terminal block here. The specs on the ID tag are correct. Maximum fuse 75. We also have a 5 conductor just controller cable. The controller is actually back on the pump tank system over here, and we went ahead and just labeled it red, black, white, brown, just to make it simple for you when you start the unit back up. Phase rotation is important. The fans are not three-phase, so you can't go by those. So when you turn the chiller system on, after you get glycol in the system, of course, the default indicators here are suction pressure and PSI. So as soon as you hear a compressor come on, those should be dropping down fairly quickly. If not, it's probably out of phase. By the way, both the system does have these crankcase heaters on the compressors. We'd like to see those on for at least 12 hours before you turn the chiller system on. We do have all the covers for the unit. For our test, we have a lot of the covers off. So we'll come back on video number 2, go over the pump tank system here.